Buttons all over me. That looks characters. Alright, that's enough for today. Alright, I'm just gonna go get the mail, I guess. Nothing else to do. Okay. Oh my gosh! Why is it so much money? They're looking inside of it. Let's see. Alright, so there's this. Alright. Blah, 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 blah. They're gonna potentially get me if I don't pay this. And I have to the end of the week, but oh my gosh, it's Friday! How am I gonna get so much money? Oh my gosh, one day. I gotta get like so much money now. Yeah. Gosh, you got a bunch of money for that bill, huh? Yeah, but you can still pay it, right? Why not? 'Cause I bought 2 games. Ugh, can't believe you bought games before payment. I know. What did you get? I got this. New Super Mario Bros. U. I've always wanted that. Yeah, pretty awesome game. But where's the second game? It's the attachment. Don't tell me New Super Luigi U. Yeah, it is. Well, guess we better be gathering some money. Cause it's the end of the week and it's Friday, so you got one day. Yeah, I know. Don't rub in my face. Ouch. Alright, so where can I get some good money? We just gotta go look at jobs. Huh. Hmm. Alright, your haircut's done. Alright, your haircut's done. Okay, here's the money. Okay, bye. Hmm. Gosh, still got a long, long line. Could be useful to have some help. And hey, don't cut. Ah, I just want to apply for a job. I could use extra help. Let him go. Ow. Yeah, I could use some help with this person, you know. What, just 'cause I have a lot of hair? Yeah, pretty much, yeah. So, guess we ought to start cutting now. Ah! I look terrible! Sorry. You're not getting paid for this, so bye. Whoa! Alright, so Bye. Hope you come some other time. Uh, gosh, want to start a business. A little writing thing I've been dreaming of. Oh, I got this marker, but I need someone to help. Yes, I don't have any hands, you know. No hands. Just have to pick up my feet. My stuff's terrible. Hmm. Hello. Hi. Do you can you like help me draw stuff and write stuff? Why? I'll pay you to do it. Okay. Here's something to write on. Huh. So what are you going to write? 5 hour long paragraph. But oh, why do I always have to say that? That is the 500th time today. Gee. Gotta write my name so hard. Okay, I can't do this. I need someone. Gee. Need more people. Uh, okay. Okay, so there's 2 people now. Okay. So, what's this job? We do a little collecting. Okay, I'm out of here. I'm into collecting. Yay, okay. Let's go. Get any money? No. Getting dark now. They're gonna be here tomorrow. Oh no, it's our night shift stuff. I gotta go to bed. These are gonna die.